Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to use à partir de and jusqu'à in French? Welcome to 3-Step French Practice by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you will practice time-related expressions. Let's look at the main dialogue. 3 people are having a conversation. L'enregistrement à l'hôtel est à partir de 15 heures. Check-in at the hotel is from 3 p.m. Nous avons encore 30 minutes. Voilà le lobby. Est-ce que tu veux un café? We still have 30 minutes. Here is the lobby. Do you want a coffee? À partir de. Oui, s'il te plaît. Quel genre de piscine est-ce qu'il y a ici? Yes, please. What kind of pool is there here? C'est une piscine intérieure. Elle est ouverte jusqu'à 22 heures. It's an indoor pool. It is open until 10 p.m. Jusqu'à. À partir de is a set phrase. That means starting from. It's used to talk about when something begins. When the preposition de, meaning from or of, is followed by a definite article, like le, the masculine singular, or les, the plural, they combine into contractions to make speech smoother. So, de plus le becomes du, and de plus les becomes des. These constructions are required and help the sentence flow more naturally. You can find à partir de in the pattern we learned, noun, noun phrase, est à partir de time, meaning noun or noun phrase is from time. Jusqu'à means until and is used with time or days. It comes from jusque, meaning up to, and à, meaning to or at. When the preposition à, meaning to, at, or until, is followed by a definite article like le, the masculine singular, or les, the plural, they contract to make speech smoother and more natural as well. These contractions are mandatory in French. À plus le becomes au, and à plus les becomes au. You can often see it in the pattern. Noun or noun phrase est ouvert, ouverte, jusqu'à time, which means noun or noun phrase is open until time. Let's practice using à partir de and jusqu'à in this lesson. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? À partir, mardi, après Pâques, nous avons cours à 9 heures. À partir, mardi, après Pâques, nous avons cours à 9 heures. Du. À partir du mardi après Pâques, nous avons cours à 9 heures. À partir du mardi après Pâques, nous avons cours à 9 heures. Starting from the Tuesday after Easter, we have class at 9 a.m. We use du in this sentence because de, meaning from, is followed by le mardi après Pâques, meaning the Tuesday after Easter. In French, de and le contract to form du. We use le because we are referring to a specific Tuesday, the one right after Easter, not Tuesday in general. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Les bureaux sont ouverts. Vacances. Les bureaux sont ouverts. Vacances. Jusqu'au. Jusqu'au. Les bureaux sont ouverts jusqu'aux vacances. Les bureaux sont ouverts jusqu'aux vacances. The offices are open until the holidays. We use jusqu'au in this sentence because à, meaning until, is followed by les vacances, meaning the holidays. And in French, à plus les contract into au. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Les matchs commencent à partir ce week-end. Les matchs commencent à partir ce week-end. De. Les matchs commencent à partir de ce week-end. Les matchs commencent à partir de ce week-end. The games start from this weekend. We use de in this sentence because it is followed by ce weekend, meaning this weekend. Since ce is not le or les, there is no contractions. De stay as it is. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Ready? La boulangerie. La boulangerie est. La boulangerie est ouverte. La boulangerie est ouverte jusqu'à. La boulangerie est ouverte jusqu'à 19 heures. The bakery is open until 7 p.m. La boulangerie est ouverte jusqu'à 19 heures. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? À partir du or de demain, il y a un festival. À partir du or de demain, il y a un festival. De. À partir de demain, il y a un festival. Starting tomorrow, there is a festival. De is used here because de, meaning from, is followed by demain, meaning tomorrow. Since demain doesn't require any article, there is no need for a contraction. So we keep de demain as it is. Choose the best answer to complete this sentence. Ready? La pharmacie est ouverte jusqu'à or jusqu'au 20 heures. La pharmacie est ouverte jusqu'à or jusqu'au 20 heures. Jusqu'à. Jusqu'à. La pharmacie est ouverte jusqu'à 20 heures. The pharmacy is open until 8 p.m. Jusqu'à is used here because à, meaning until, is followed by 20 heures, meaning 8 p.m. In French, when jusqu'à is followed by a specific time or expression that begins with à, we combine them into jusqu'à. Since there is no article needed before a time like 20 heures, we simply say jusqu'à 20 heures, until 8 p.m. Let's translate some sentences into French. Translate the library is open until noon into French. La, de, feminine singular definite article, followed by library, feminine noun. Next, est, is, third person singular of être, meaning to be, followed by ouverte, open, feminine singular form of the adjective. Next, jusqu'à, until, followed by midi, noon. Jusqu'à. Jusqu'à is used here because à, meaning until, is followed by midi, meaning noon, which does not take a definite article in French. Since there is no article to combine with, we simply use jusqu'à without any contraction. La bibliothèque est ouverte jusqu'à midi. La bibliothèque est ouverte jusqu'à midi. The library is open until noon. Translate the movie starts from April 3rd into French. Le, de, masculine singular definite article, followed by film, or movie. Next, est, is, third person singular of être, followed by à partir, starting. Next, du, from the, contraction of de plus le. À partir du, starts from, literally means starting from the, but translate as starts from. Followed by avril, April 3rd. À partir du is used here because de, meaning from, is followed by le 3 avril, meaning the 3rd of April. And in French, de plus le contracts into du. Le film est à partir du 3 avril. Le film est à partir du 3 avril. The movie starts from April 3rd. Translate the park is open until the evening into French. Le, de, masculine singular definite article, followed by parc, park. Next, est, is, third person singular of être, followed by ouvert, open, masculine singular adjective. Next is jusqu'au, until the, followed by soir, evening. Jusqu'au is used here because à, meaning until, is followed by le soir, meaning the evening. And in French, à plus le contracts into au. Le parc est ouvert jusqu'au soir. Le parc est ouvert jusqu'au soir. The park is open until the evening. Listen to me as I speak. Which time expression do you hear? 8h30. Let's listen one more time. 8h30. Did you hear? 8h30. It means 8:30. How about 7h15? Let's listen one more time. 7h15. Did you hear? 7h15. It means 7:15. Next, 10h moins le quart. One more time. 10h moins le quart. Did you hear? 10h moins le quart. It means 9:45. And 9h pile. One more time. 9h pile. Did you hear? 9h pile. It means 9 o'clock sharp. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to use à partir de and jusqu'à in French. And now you can move on to the next lesson in the pathway. Au revoir!